Hello everybody, I'm Mike Hampton, and today we're in Charlotte, North Carolina at Okuma America's headquarters, and I'm excited to talk to you about a new product that we're bringing to the marketplace, Okuma's new LED lighting option. Have you ever walked into a manufacturing facility, you look to your right and you see a burnout work light, then you look to your left and you see a dim or dirty work light that could possibly be unsafe? Well, we have the ultimate solution for that. Not only can you upgrade your older halogen or fluorescent tube light technology to LEDs, this is the perfect option to work in addition or replace a burnout work light. So let me show you some of the things that I love about this work light. First and foremost, it has an anodized billet housing that is fully protected with tempered glass covering 120 LEDs. Not only that, but it mounts with embedded magnets, and because these magnets are embedded in this anodized aluminum housing, they won't attract chips out of the cutting area. When it comes to wiring, well, that's quick and easy. We can wire this light to a 24-volt system or a 110-volt system if you get the optional transformer. And if you have a long ways to go to get to your power supply, that's no issue at all, because we have a 5-meter insulated and protected cable that can reach around any shape or size machine tool. Some additional specifications about this work light that are very important to note is the brightness. A normal, older technology halogen or fluorescent work light puts off about 600 lumens. To put that into perspective, the new Okuma LED work light puts out an amazing 3,600 lumens. That's something that'll brighten up your day. And not only is this work light bright, but it's very robust. It's IP67, IK07, and Class 3 certified. That means this light is tried and true to withstand dirt, dust, sand, and it can even be submerged in water. What better to have in the cutting area environment? And because of all the things I just mentioned, we know that this work light is going to last for a lifetime. That's why we're giving you a 5-year warranty with the Okuma LED light. Now that you know about Okuma's LED light, its features and benefits, the ease of install, its outstanding performance, what are you waiting for? Contact your distributor today and make your machine tool cutting area brighter and safer.